Once again, like I noted, we'll be staying in this room for the witnessing of really what this ceremony is all about, the lighting of the Pearl Harbor beacon. We have two beacon boys, John Gallagher, John Stewart, up at the mountaintop right now, and they must be wet and so shivering. Along with Chris Verdugo, who's going to be the head honcho in this thing of giving us video feed. But before we get to that, the sons and daughters would certainly like to extend thanks to all of you who were up on the dais and what you've done to contribute to this. Special thanks to audio technician for 17 years, Don Stone, my color guard, they've been here with me for 17 years, and you too, of course. And so, thank you, you guys. To Joanne McLuhan, assistant to Ted Clement at Save Mount Diablo. She's worked behind the scenes, putting in so many hours. And so thank you, Joanne. Kathy Cutting, assistant to Dr. Phelps, for putting on that wonderful reception for all volunteers. And getting back to the Beacon Boys, who we wouldn't even be really seeing this without them. John Gallagher, John Stewart, Dick Heron, Larry Loomer. So all those people need to be thanked, yeah. And a son and daughter member, Eileen Farley, for working so many hours and helping me out. At this point, of course, we have our beacon lighting in two stages. The first lighting, the beacon will stay in a stationary position, really from its inception, shining down on you, thanking you for sustaining this historical record and this historical date through ceremony. Now, to set up that first stage, we'll need a countdown. In the old days, we had a 5-to-1 countdown, but been told that there might be a delay in technical transmission. So they asked me to do a 20-to-1 countdown with you joining in. And I said, sure, the audience will be good sports. That'll get time to hopefully synchronize on this. There's the beacon top. And hopefully it'll all synchronize that when we get down to 1, the beacon will shine. And we'll see it much better than if we were anywhere else. We're privileged. Already, we're going to go 20-to-1. Yeah. Would you please join me? We're going to go 20-to-5, kind of slowly in low tones. But the last 5 will pick it up so they can hear us on top of the mountain. Yes. Yes. As he has been with us for 17 years, too. And I've been here too long. We have bugler Frank Doherty with us here. And as we listen to the sound of taps played by Frank, let us once again offer our gratitude to all those Americans who so supremely sacrificed so that we could so amply reap the rewards of freedom. You may be seated. Thank you, reminders. I'd have lost Frank forever. Frank, you and I go way back. You know, I had you in mind. Huh? I got caught up in all this technical stuff. So now, survivors, we're ready for a 20-1 countdown. Please join me. Soft tones first. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the button. They have. Well, oh. We may have to pretend that's the beacon. I hope not. It's close. I've been warned that it could take some time and there could be some difficulties. So I know you want to bear. Oh! There it is in all its brilliance, especially for you, dedicated people. Now we'll need another countdown. And we'll go to 20-1 again, and you folks press another button when we get to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're waiting, of course, for it to be sent in a revolving manner. It is the survivors and beacons' way of paying homage to all those Americans who died on the island of Oahu, December 7th, 1941. Lit this once a year until dawn. It's a little rusty. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, oh, they're you know they're trying all they can. There it is. Oh yeah. Well, that concludes our program this evening. And again, we thank all of you for coming and witnessing the lighting of the beacon. Thank you and have a safe journey home.